Hey, hi everyone. Again, Santosh here. I hope you have enjoyed my first video about MSCRM introduction. So, can we recollect what we have discussed in my first video? It's just about MSCRM introduction. So, as I discussed, we'll be having a different versions MSCRM 2011, 2013, 2015, and 2016 online also. So I should already mentioned that the people who wanted to learn MSCRN should have knowledge on .NET, JavaScript, SQL. Okay, so in as I discussed in my first video, so we'll be having two different types of deployments. One is on premise and other one is online. So today we'll be discussing about what are the different types of deployment types in MSCRM. So actually, what is the deployment type? Let's see first. Just it's nothing but most of the people will be aware of it. You know, um, what is a deployment? So what is deployment? Deployment is nothing but like just software deployment is all of the activities that make a software system available for use. Mm, So so deployment, I think most of the people will be having idea on this who are already working on IT. So I don't want to give much explanation on this. So it's nothing. Deployment is I think just only installing the software and doing the changes again, deploying the changes and mm, to the existing application kind of stuff will be considered as deployments. So first, for coming to the MSCR deployments, there are three types of deployment types. One is MSCRM on-premise deployment, and the second one is online, and third one is the partner hosted. So what is MSCRM on-premise? This is the most common deployment type for all the business because the hardware and softwares are completely owned by the business company. It's nothing but on-premise deployment means you'll be getting the software package from Microsoft. You'll be buying license for that. You'll be getting the software for that, and you will be installing it in your machines. Okay, you'll be installing the software in your machines and customizing the applications according to your requirements. So Microsoft no doesn't care, like if you until unless you will get any issues, you have to go to them and ask them that we are facing this issue, then only they will look into that, yeah, and they will come and look into you. So they are not maintaining anything, just they will be providing the software and they will give support on that. I'm not sure, like support in the sense, and they will be having some different types of license versions that will be you'll be getting, so different and depending upon the license that you have got, they will be supporting you. So on premise, leave all these things. Just remember on premise in the sense you will be buying the software from Microsoft and you will be installing your software in your machines, in your own machines, means in your own machines. So database is under control you, and you are the responsible for your database, and databases means you will be having control on your application completely, on databases, customizations, whatever. You are the owners, so everything will be under control of you. That is called MSCRM on premise. So let's go through this the topic what I mentioned here. MSCRM on-premise is the most common type deployment for all business companies because the hardware and software. Why it's the most common type deployment for all business companies? Because right, business company most common type deployment for all business because why? Because see, some companies are there and they don't want to share their data with any others. Let's suppose of Microsoft also, they don't want to share the data, so they should keep secured. So in that case, if client thinks that my data should be secured, I don't want to share with anyone. So in that case, people will go for this. So most of the people like companies or clients will think like that, like this only. So And so on-premise is the most common time of deployment. So yeah, as I mentioned in the blog, by the business, so that company can have good level of control and secure their business data. What is MSCRM online? MSCRM is best for companies who wants to take their CRM on the cloud. Online in the sense here, and let's make one point in on-premise also. So if you are going for on-premise, so actually you can access your application in internet only. So if you can't access from anywhere in anywhere in the world. uh, like just if you have a net, you can't access that on-premise application. You should make IFD. That also we'll discuss in our coming one. So that is not no that is like disadvantage in on-premise. So not disadvantage if you have to go to for IFD, like that is another kind of deployment. You have to upgrade, like you have to do some other activity to make available your on-premise application to access from anywhere know in the world, using if you have a just net. But coming to the MSCRM online, it's not like that. If you're having this MSCRM online application, so you can access your application from anywhere. It's like as I mentioned in the post, MSCRM online best for the companies who wants to take their CRM on the cloud. Cloud is nothing but internet, where you can access this your online application from anywhere in the world, just if you have a internet. So this is least expensive and low startup cost. So hardware and software owned by the Microsoft, not by the company. So as you suggested, see, hardware and software owned in on-premise, the hardware and Microsoft owned by the business, but here the hardware and software owned by the Microsoft, not by the company. That means just you can see the application, and if you want to do any customizations, you'll be doing the customizations if you are the admin of that software. But you can't go to the database from the no you can't go to the database, and you can't access the database, what's happening in the back end, you can't see that. So just you'll be having one what you say uh, interface where you can customize the things, creating the users kind of stuff, creating the new users to the application kind of stuff you can do. But you can't go to the back end and accessing the database and seeing the these things not possible in online. So there is a different major difference in on-premise and online. Hmm. So MSCRM partner hosted, what is this? It's nothing but same MSCRM online thing only. But problem is like here, as name mentioned, partner hosted in the sense, they are like Power Object something. Some companies that will have the partnership and taking I don't know what kind of partnership they will be now working under Microsoft. So Microsoft and the people will go directly, don't go to the Microsoft, they'll just go to the partner hosted companies, and they will take this Microsoft applications from them. Hmm. So yeah, as I mentioned in the post, the major difference is that the CRM hosting will not be provided directly by Microsoft, rather by one of its certified partner. That is okay. So, but it's same as it is like MS CRM online. In this case also, you don't have no, hardware and software owned by the business, and, or not owned by the business. They be owned by the MS CRM partner hosted company. Okay. So these are the three different like deployments in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So I will go through again. There are three types of deployments: on-premise, online, partner hosted. If you go for on-premise, you'll be having a control on softwares and hardwares. What you have online, you can access from anywhere in the world if you have a JustNet, but you don't have no control on hardware and softwares. MSCR partner hosted is the same. Here the major difference, it's same like MSCRM online only, but MSCRM partner hosted, the owners and softwares and hardwares will be the same. The partners of the Microsoft certified Microsoft company. So these are the three difference, and we'll go through this link also, where I found it's more clear about the deployment types. So we'll see this. It's more good actually. So we'll go through it once. Yeah, see, you can see right, deployment of CRM online, CRM on premise, partner hosted. See, as it says, no additional investment in IT structure. Get CRM server installed in your company's service environment. Get yours hosted by the Microsoft Gateway partner. This we have already covered. These are three deployments. Microsoft on CRM. What he has mentioned. Yeah, he has mentioned like see in this post, if a Microsoft Dynamics CRM online is if you, it is a small business and less number of users, you can go for MS CRM online. See, small business, least expensive with less number of users, so it's suitable for that kind of businesses. But I don't think so. People are using for it's now means I don't consider means we don't consider the size of the business because Microsoft will that thing. But no means like if you have a more number of users, it should be more number of license you have to buy. That's the difference. So advantage of having the CRM online, low startup cost as I told, no additional infrastructure cost. So you don't need to maintain the servers, database servers, and application servers, and maintaining that the cost will be reduced. Scalability, reliability. So that's depend upon perception of the client's fast setup. Yeah, nothing fast setup. Just it can be done in 2 or 3 days if you buy the license for it. No need of dedicated resource for maintaining and managing the CRM system. That's what I've told. No need in it will come into here only. So if there is no infrastructure, no servers, nothing. So why to maintain just one like to do the customizations and that of a resource will be required. Automatic backup. Microsoft will take automatic backup in kind of in different intervals of time. Highly secured. Access CRM from anywhere within the internet connection, as I told. Easy CRM integration with Office MS Microsoft 365. This will learn now when you are going for uh, in my next post. Mostly MS Office 365. How integrating the in MS Office 365. Microsoft Dynamics CRM on premise. This is the most common, and most of the project will be like this only under this deployment only. So we'll be saying what he has mentioned in this type of deployment model, the license and hardware infrastructure. I think we'll go for directly advantages because most of the things are mentioned. Greatest level of control. Yeah, as I told, control means you'll be having the control, complete control. Keep your customers' confidential data on your own servers. That's what I told. People if you they don't no, they don't they want to do no, they want to have complete control and secured the data, so then only they will go for on-premise. Exclusive control and deployment, highly secured. Yes, low limited storage depend on your hardware. That's low limited storage in the sense, yeah, in online you have to buy the storage. I think storage also. So this much storage and this much GB data we want something space, but this is in your hand. According to your hard disk of database, you can go ahead with it. Full access to take backend system. This is what I told. Full access to backend system, nothing but database servers. So we'll be having the complete control on backend database servers. But in MSCRM online, you can't see it also. So means you can't you don't have access to backend systems. Shared environment that is partner hosted. This same as this. Yeah, he has also mentioned this is similar to very CRM online. And you will not provided directly by the Microsoft Airbus partner. So what is the advantages? So same will have same thing, quick startup, increase or decrease users easily. No need of dedicated resource maintaining. This is also will cover in MSCRM online. Automatic backup. This is also in MSCRM online. No additional instrument or hardware step and maintenance. MSCRM online we have the spines. Free added tools. I am not sure on this. Easier to integrate than CRM online due to no delivery parameters. Easy to scale users on month-on-month basis. Backup restore features can be used in database with manual help of partner. I didn't see much of them. Like I have seen only mostly people are going for on-premise. Sorry, clients will be going for on-premise version. Now people are thinking to access their application from anywhere if you have a net. So now I'm looking. People are going for MSCRM online also. So mostly the widely used deployments are MSCRM online and MSCRM on-premise in my view, what I have seen till now. So friends, this is all about different types of deployments. So just go through my post also. If you like my video, share it, subscribe to my channel. In next video, we'll be discussing about MSCRM online trial version instance. So how to create the trial version instance, that we'll be discussing in my next video. So have a nice day. Thank you.